Hello everyone, my name is Chad Samuel B. Mamak. Today we're gonna talk about the quote, "Volatility is not inherently good or bad. It is just simply impactful" by Pearl Joe. Volatility refers to the speed of change in an industry, market of the world. In general, it is a liability to change rapidly and unpredictably. The meaning of volatility is not inherently good or bad. It is simply impactful. That volatility itself is neutral. It doesn't have a positive or negative value. Instead, its effect depends on how one responds to it. In other words, volatility can bring opportunity or challenges, depending on one's perspective and actions. This quote encourages a neutral and pragmatic approach to dealing with certainty and change. Thank you very much, and that's all. Bye bye.